posted about a week. I've been so busy with football and school. We're going to the championship in the Valley. 6-0, easy. I just wanted to redoing my mock again, cause yeah, I'm redoing it a lot. Getting stuff figured out. Kylo Ren, Anakin, Bomber. Okay. So I don't know where to start. Pretty sure that okay. So what's pretty much happening is prison. There's 2 very good rebel fighters that are imprisoned here, and they're getting them out of prison and fighting back for the rebels. So yeah, these 2 guys, let me grab them. They're both bleeding. They got shot with by the stormtroopers. I don't know how. Okay, so we have Chewie, Oji Boji. Let's set this up. These guys have to fight against them. These two are gonna get off. Yeah. So this guy's boom. Boom. So this guy's fighting them. This guy shot him because this guy tried to sneak attack. Yeah. And guess what? That didn't work. No hair. I don't know what to do. You put a couple more rebels up and then get a couple police officers. Futurific police officers like this weird guy right here. He's one of the police officers. And this guy, he got shot. A whole bunch. He's kind of dead. This guy got shot by, you can guess it, it's the orange dude. Yeah, that guy is pretty dank. I really like him. But yeah, he is one of the prisoners. I forgot to say that, but do you think I should use the crate? Yeah, I'm gonna put it up here. Boom. Oh yeah, guys, if you see this figure in my mock when I do a full thing on it, and you find him, I'm not guaranteeing this, but I will. I'll give you a shout out my next video. If you have a YouTube channel, I'll put you on my Fortnite thing. I'm on YouTube right now, checking out other people's things, seeing what they did. Not taking any of their ideas. Like, I'm not taking any of their ideas. I just thought up of, okay. So I'm gonna make her a little bit more detailed and like her like scratched up a little bit. I'm just gonna make an eye patch. Patch my nigga. Yeah, I'm a Gucci fam. Dang it. I will make another video when I'm finished with this. This will be all for tonight because it's nighttime where I am right now. Oh yeah, look at my little doggy. Look at my little doggy. Demo. Oh yeah. And then we got Kiki. Kiki, do you love me? Yeah, you tired. So I might post another video on Tuesday. I'll post another one tonight about Fortnite. I already got the dyer. Right, here's my gang symbol. If you want to join it. I'm really good at it. Your thumb has to be up. It's like this. Yeah, here we go. No, wait, your thumb, your pinky. So this is my gang symbol. Gucci. Boy. So it's like this. Instead of this. It's something like that. Yeah, whatever. Me Gucci fam. See you guys tomorrow. Well, tonight, but who cares?